Okay, do we do this
Let's
one?
go.
All right, guys. I am late. I want to keep going. I need literally 5 minutes to record something that I forgot I had to do. Can you guys literally give me 5 minutes?
Okay.
No problem. No
Alright.
problem.
Thank you so much. I'll be back as literally as soon as I can.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look at Vox. Look at him. Look at him. He's enjoying recording that thing right now.
Oh yeah, he's speaking a lot. I can't wait to see what he posts on Twitter. In fact, let me move Vox out for you guys. You can see more of his body.
I wonder what he's saying.
Hey, lady.
Hello there, lovely ladies.
Hey there, kindred. Been a while. I know I've been on break, but I miss you all dearly. Mwah. Hope you're all having a great day.
Just, I need to record something for 5 minutes. It's just 5 minutes straight of kissing noises.
It's just straight up like 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I need to record a very important voice tweet.
Just making out with his God damn it.
I also like the fact that he can probably hear us right now.
Hey, Vox,
I
not
can,
a
as a matter of fact.
Oh no! Hey, buddy.
Hey, what are you guys up to?
just you know, fooling
Just changing our
around.
weapons on
Yeah.
Earth Defense Force.
We got so many weapons it lagged the game.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, I was-
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.